how I created this ghoulish look using Mehron's new Halloween bundle. Starting off with their scarring liquid, I love this product because literally all you do is brush it on and within seconds your scabs and scars look perfect. I love their cream face paint formula because it's very buildable and it's extremely easy to blend. Using the shade Moonlight White, I wanted to go over all the areas of the face that I wanted to look highlighted, followed by their black shade in all the areas that I wanted to look deep and contoured. To blend out all of the larger areas on my face, I went ahead and used a wedge sponge, but to get all those smaller spots, I used eyeshadow brushes with more of that face paint loaded in there. To make sure everything is all mattified and locked in place, I'm using Mehron's setting powder, and I'm being very generous with this and patting it in, including on the lips. Next, using Mehron's pressed powder in the shade Morning Sky, I'll be applying this very similarly to an eyeshadow, going around some of the deeper set areas on the face. Before completely finishing this look off, I dragged down some of that black face paint onto the neck, and here's our final look.